Alright, what's going on with you boys? It's your boy Squad here, back with a brand new banger on the channel. Today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys about functions inside of Roblox Studio. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure that you guys watch the videos before this because you will be confused if you have not already. So anyway guys, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to want to add a script to the script service by pressing the plus button and then script, and that's going to basically put a script and it's going to put you right here. So basically, and for those that are wondering what a function is and why you use them, basically a function is a set of instructions that can be used multiple times inside of a script, right? So if you guys think back to when we learned about variables, right? So I did local denim is equal to 19, right? I'm stating that denim is equal to 19, and then I'm telling it to print denim or the result of the variable, and it's gonna print it, right? As you can see right here. So let's say I wanted to do this multiple times without actually having to type print denim every single time. That's what functions are for. Functions you can use, or they're reusable, so you don't have to do the same thing over and over. Once again, they can be used multiple times inside of a script. You decide how many times you use that function. So to start a function, what you're going to want to do is put local function. By putting local function, you're stating that you're making a function, and after that you have to put what the name of the function is going to be, or what you have to say or type for the function to be called on. So I'm gonna do something like, I don't know, I guess code den, right? And then you put parentheses. Whenever you do this, that lets it know that this is the name of the function, and you're stating that's a function and what the name of the function is going to be. And whenever you type code den with parentheses, or that's for me what that's going to be. If you type something different with parentheses, you'd have to put that in parentheses, right? So now what we're going to do is we're going to put local denim is equal to 19, right? I'm telling it to run this code every single time that I type code in parentheses, right? So I'm going to do I guess print denim, right? So instead of me having to type denim multiple times, what I can just do is I can run this code or call on the function by putting code den. But if I don't call on the function, aka I don't put code den right here, it's not gonna call on the function, or I mean the function is not gonna run because I have to call on it. Since I didn't call on it, it doesn't print denim into the console because it's basically not being called on, or it's not active. So to call it once again, you put the name of the function, which in my case is code den, and it's going to print code den inside the console. Whatever, I mean, it's going to do whatever code den supposed to do. Code den prints denim inside of the console. So if I do, instead of me typing print denim every single time, I can just run the function. So it's going to do let's do this. Let's just copy and paste the function over and over, right? If I do that, it's going to print denim a bunch of times. As you guys see, it says denim, it says 19 times 7. This is basically telling it that it ran this 7 times. The same thing 7 times. So instead of it typing 19, 19, 19, 19, 19, 19, it's telling it that it's been ran 7 times. That's what you use functions for. Once again, it's basically once again a set of instructions that can be used multiple times out of a script. So I'm calling on it multiple times. It's reusable code. Instead of me having to type print denim every single time, I can just call on the function because I stated what I want the function to do. I want the function to print denim, and every time I call on the function, it's going to print denim, right? So that's basically what it's for. Kind of a simple and I guess somewhat complicated tutorial. If you guys are confused, let me know down below to the comment section. I will answer to every single comment if possible. Most likely it will be, unless this video somehow blows up. I appreciate anyone who watched this video. I might actually do one more thing to kind of help you guys out a little bit more, right? So let's say, because we did do object oriented, right? So let's do I'll name this function, I guess, random, right? Random. I'm gonna do local base plate is equal to game dot workspace dot base plate. You could just do workspace. I just did game, but let's get rid of that. It doesn't matter which one you do. Workspace.baseplate or game.workspace.baseplate, right? I'm stating that, right? So I wanted to change the color, and I want to change the material of the base plate. I'm gonna put it to class base plate. Base plate dot transparency is equal to, I don't know, I guess 0.5. So once again, if I do not call on the function by stating the name of the function, it's not going to run the code because I'm not telling it to run it. I have to state the name to call or run the function. To run the function, right? So if I put random, it's going to run the function and do everything that I stated inside that function. The transparency is now 0.5 and it's now glass, right? So that's basically what you use functions for. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe and comment down below. I would really appreciate it. And make sure to join Discord below into the description. I appreciate all you guys who watched the video. It's your boy Code Den, and I'm out.